it goes up. That's the remote controller, so let's get it out of the box. Ooh, this is going to be a good one. Oh, there it is. There it is. Alright, guys, let's get the remote controller out. And you can see, there it is. Let's do it. Oh, let's try to see the possibility. Whoa, see that?
At least the video's working.
So let's put it right here and let's see that remote controller. So this is it. This is the remote controller. What I'm seeing. And look at the webs. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's put it.
Do the spins, Chase. Do spins.